Okay. Yo. So Joe Saints? Kid Chris. Here we go. It's Kid Chris, you already know that. The illest in the game, coming out with new raps. Listen here, some people are whack, acting like they got swag, but they swag is crap. I'm not really that crazy, but sometimes I am lazy. Getting back up on my feet, cause I'm active and ready. If I die today, remember me like Rick Ross. Wanna know why? Look at me, I'm the boss. You can go ahead and call me the rebel. When I'm in the fight, my fist is made of metal. I can tell that your girl has a crush on me. She writes my name on the list of hotties. Just give me more time. All I have to do is finish all these rhymes. And let me just make it right. All day, every day, the protector of the night. I'm just here, hanging with my fellas. This is to all the people who like to be jealous. I crush all these haters, always getting mad. They got angry faces, so I'm glad that you're mad. I'm just a little rapper in the game. You can call me your young AJ Dwayne. He's a legend and you don't even know it. He's an actor, singer, rapper, dancer, writer, and poet. Ain't no need to be discreet, I'm just awesome. So far ahead, look at how I lost them. That's the why the people standing still, cause they scared thanks to the new power of will. I'm just sitting on the couch relaxing, listen to the music of Michael Jackson. All I do is take it to the top, all day, every day, can't stop, won't stop. Kid Chris.